Vajra, diamond, vernacular name Sanskrit is a Hirako, Hiraka, Vajraka, Vajra, Hira, Bhargavya Priya, Priga Priya, and Pavi. Hindi name Hira and diamond. Source: roughly 49% of diamond originate from Central and Southern Africa, although significant sources of mineral have been discovered in Canada, India, Russia, Brazil, and Australia. Today, most commercially viable diamond deposits are in Russia, Western Australia, and the Democratic Republic in the Congo. Mineralogical identification: chemical formula C, like chemical name carbon, category gems, hardness 10, types types of diamond according to the origin: Samprastrakam, Madhyarashtrakum, Kashmiri Rashtrikam, Srikantanaka Rashtrikam, Manimantak Rashtrikam, Indravanakam. According to color: white, red, yellow, and black. According to Varna Veda, first Sweta is a Rasayan Karma and Sarvasiddhi દ્રવ્ય દાયક તરીકે ઉપયોગ થાય છે. સેકન્ડ, રક્ત is a વ્યાધિનાશક and જરા મૃત્યુનાશક. પિત્ત is a ધાનપ્રદા દે દર્દ યાકાર. Krishna is a Vyadhinasana and Vaistambana. According to gender: Nar, Nari, and Napunsaka. First, Nara, diamond of superior quality, has 8 edge, 8 surface, and 6 angle. It should be very attractive shining. Nari. It all character of Nar Vajra, but its shape is a flat and oval. Napunsaka it a round, heavy, and surface, and edge to do not have an angle. Grahyata of the diamonds. Acceptable variety of Hirak is having the following characteristic: like a mirror, light in a weight, 8 surface, 6 angle, and very sharp. The acceptable variety of Hirak is having the following characteristic: the smooth, bright like lightning, clear, which cannot be cut or can the cut the glass is very sharp, and the 6 angle and 8 surface. Taste for Grahya Hirak. Best Hirak cannot be cut by rubbing on the hard stone, but can cut easily with hard stone and glass etc. Sodhan of Hirak. Ashudh Hirak Sweden with Kulat Kwat for continuous 3 days and made to Suddha Hiraka. Maran of Hiraka. Sudh Hirak, Sudh Parad Bhasma, Sudh Manasila, and Sudh Gandhaka. Take a 1 part and touch it properly, and subject to Gajput till proper Bhasma preparation. Repeat this process for 14 times and made to Hirak Bhasma. Properties of Hirak: रस चढ़ रसयुक्त, गुण स्निग्ध, दोषघ्नता त्रिश दोष समन, कर्म आयुष प्रदान, वृक्ष पारद बंधक, पारद मारक, बल्य मेदय, दीपन हृदय योगवाही, रसायन नेत्र वर्णय, Dose 1 by 32 rati to 1 by 16 rati. Anupan, Madhu, Greet and Sarkara. Therapeutic use सर्वरोगनाशक शोष क्षय भ्रम भगंदर प्रमेय मेदविकार પાંડુ ઉદરરોગ શોથ અને ક્લેબ્ય. ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ફોર્મ્યુલેશન હીરક રસાયણ કામદેવ રસ નવરત્ન રાજા મૃગનક રસ મણિ પરપટી રત્નગર્ભ પોટલી